Hey guys, and welcome to another segment in our WeVideo tutorial series presented by WBAM Student Television. Today we will be showing you how to zoom in and out, which is changing the scale of the image, making it easier to see things in the frame and help focus on certain things.
When you use this effect, you can show small details that you normally would not be able to see, just like this. Step 1, you have to right-click on the clip, and for step 2, you have to open the edit menu. Step 3, click the animations in the top left.
For step 4, you click Start, and then choose how you want to start the clip. For example, you could put like here. And then step 5, click End. You can choose where you want it to end at. And then it should end up looking like this.